Alright, concrete pour on the Coors job. Actually have good weather this week. It's going to be overcast and it will not be getting down below 40 degrees at night. So it's actually very good weather for pouring concrete. Shower, radiant tubing going through the shower. We will be doing colored room finish concrete on the back patio here, and then the two front patios are going to be colored stamped concrete. This patio area here, and then the patio area right over there will be a colored stamp with a slate stamp on it. It'll be really nice. Alright, waiting on another truck to come in. Get behind the boom truck. This is the garage area right here. That's the curb stop in the garage. Parking area right here. That area right there is the carport. Storage area here in the garage. This house will be on the 2011 Parade of Homes, first 3 weekends in October.